Hi, I'm Mark Rockwell with Rockton Software, and today I want to talk about Excel sheets and compare that to Rockton Pricing Management. We find a lot of customers who come to us are in what we call Excel hell, dealing with just a ton of problems with Excel spreadsheets. Now, Excel is a wonderful tool and it can do lots of things, but it gets overused and abused, and especially when it comes to pricing. That's because there's most ERP systems force you to generate a bunch of price sheets, and you're constantly importing and exporting those in and out of the ERP system, exporting them, changing a few things, importing them back in. That is a complete waste of time. Spreadsheets and pricing worksheets in general are dead. I've got different blogs and content over that, but here's to explain it one more time. We believe in price sheets being a system of calculations rather than a systematic list of prices. So if you have a set of costs, for instance, that are in your ERP system, and you then copy every single item into a price sheet, and then you take the cost times a markup of 30% margin, for instance, you have just written a record for every single item that you have in your system. That's not necessary, especially when the rule is simple, like adding a 30% margin. In RPM, you just use a 30% margin calculation, a single record, versus running a single record for every one of your items. So that can already eliminate 99% of the data that has to be managed. Now you can apply that concept with grouping your items and your customers into different tiers or categories. So for instance, if your customers are gold, silver, or bronze, you might have a 5, 10, 15% discount on those. By applying a rule that says all my customers get 5% off, or all of these specific customers get 5% off, you don't have to provide a list for every single customer that gets 5% off. It's just within a group. And again, you're eliminating a massive amount of spreadsheets that get repeated again and again. Every time you run a promotion, every time you do a sale, every time a tariff comes up or a fee comes up, you are exporting these Excel spreadsheets and modifying all kinds of calculations. And the permutations get insanely complicated very, very quickly. It's not uncommon for a company in the distribution industry to have, say, 20,000 items and, say, 3,000 customers. Well, if you took a cross product of that, that's like 6 million records. And it's not practical to create a price sheet for that customer item combo. Furthermore, if you have promotions that are driven by date, and you have special promotions that are for a category of items, you end up with hundreds of millions of records that are unnecessary to manage. They're nearly impossible. So eliminating price sheets from a pricing standpoint makes a lot of sense, and getting rid of importing and exporting from Excel is a must-have. Now, the other problem with Excel spreadsheets is the security model. Once you have all of your pricing into an Excel spreadsheet, where's it going to go? It can easily be emailed to somebody, left on a laptop or whatever. There's no security baked into Excel, and so who knows where your pricing sensitive data is going to end up. I'm sure that your competitors would love to see your price list and how you do things so that they can compete with you. That certainly can be helpful for them. Now, the other problem with Excel spreadsheets is they tend to be owned by one person, the guru of pricing. And that person understands the sheet, but you share it with somebody else. If you open some of these sheets, and boy, have I seen a lot, they're confusing. It is hard to follow what the logic is. And you typically have to go on a sheet A and update something over here, and then update something over there, and then magically this cell updates over here. And while it can work, it's not easy to follow for somebody else. That means if that person goes on vacation or gets hit by a Mack truck, who's left holding the bag for trying to figure out how this spreadsheet works and managing that and maintaining that? That can be a real hassle. And furthermore, I've seen a lot of people who are that pricing guru where they just can't take a vacation and they feel really tied down to their jobs. It's nice to have RPM as a system where multiple people can go in there, and it's a modular system to where many people can manage it, and it's simpler and easier to understand, and furthermore, it grows with you. And so you don't have to have thousands of pages of Excel spreadsheets constantly being updated when you have just a rules-based system, a simple and easy model with inside of RPM that many people can manage. It's a much smarter way to go.